Hello, I'm Sandra from Fibernoodles. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the lifted knot stitch. In abbreviation form, it's P3SO and then knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. So starting with the P3SO, which stands for pass third stitch over, we're going to find the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. We're going to pick it up purlwise, pass over the first 2 stitches, drop it. Then we're going to knit the first stitch, yarn over, and knit the second stitch. And that is the lift and knot stitch. We'll do that again. Start with the P3SO, 1, 2, 3, pass the third stitch over the first 2 stitches, drop it. Then we're going to knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. And there you have it, the lifted knot stitch.